Hi, welcome to Cute Things by Rebecca. I'm Rebecca, and today we are going to make these cute little hand sanitizer holders made for this type of hand sanitizer. I got this at Walmart. It's the 1 ounce sanitizer spray. And I was wanting a little carrier that I can use without having to take it out of anything. So it's ready to use. You can just spritz when you need it, hang from your bag or purse. It's not going to fall out unless you're flinging your bag all around, so it should stay good without a topping. I just think it's quick and easy and another fun novelty that could be very useful. So I've made a whole bunch of them. They're multiplying. They're just fun. Anyways, so let's get started. These are the supplies you need. You need a front and a main back piece of vinyl. I have mine just some scraps, but the design is about 3.5 by 4, so 5 by 5 is good to be on the safe side. I use Ollie Fun for the lining, so I don't have to take out the stabilizer, an eyelet, and a setting tool. So I have hooped tearaway stabilizer, and that's it. So the first step on the machine is a placement step. Let's go run that now. Okay, so we ran the placement step. Now turn to the back of your hoop and place your lining down and secure it with tape. On the front side of the hoop, place your main vinyl. Make sure it covers the entire design. Let's run the next step. Okay, now that that is done, turn to the back, add your back vinyl, however you like it. Make sure it covers the entire design, and run that last step. It's gonna sew all the way around it, leaving the top open. I will be right back. Okay, that's it. You're done. Now all you need to do is just remove from your hoop, clean up your stabilizer, and trim. And then add your little eyelet. I'm going to do that right now. I will be right back. So now that it's all trimmed, you just add your sanitizer. That's it. See how with the lining, it's all nice and clean, and you don't have to take your stabilizer out, because sometimes it's hard to grab the stabilizer from down below. But that's up to you. So you just take your hand sanitizer and put it in there. Oops. Maybe. There we go. And that's it. Just a quick, fun, and easy project. Thanks for watching.